Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing the Box House Hotel. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are parking, free Wi-Fi, family rooms, non-smoking rooms, very good fitness center, restaurant, tea, coffee maker in all rooms and a bar. The Box House Hotel. This Greenpoint, Brooklyn hotel is a converted factory and features lofts and suites with curated original artwork. Guests can enjoy the on-site restaurant, Brooklyn Lantern. Free Wi-Fi is offered. Each apartment-style accommodations at the Box House Hotel features a 42-inch flat-screen TV, a sofa bed, and a fully equipped kitchen. Select rooms have a terrace and views of Midtown Manhattan. The hotel offers a fitness center, sauna and 24-hour business center. Laundry facilities are also available. The nearest subway station is 0.6 miles away. Times Square is 4 miles from the hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.